Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder. This is a good activity to do on a rainy day like today. The things you are going to need are a toilet paper roll. We've got plenty of these in our house right now, so this should be easy to find. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need some kind of string or rope, ribbon, yarn, something to hang it up. You're going to need a knife. You're going to need peanut butter. You'll need bird seed and a little container or dish. I also have newspaper spread across my table right now to help minimize any mess that I might make. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my container and I'm going to pour some bird seed into it. It doesn't need to be a lot, but just enough so that you can spread it around in your container, like that, okay? And you want to find a container. I'm using like an old Chinese takeout container because it's nice and flat. If you only have a bowl, you could use a bowl, or you actually probably could put it on a plate too, and that would work fine as well. So I'm going to take my bird seed and set it aside. Next, I am going to take my toilet paper roll and some peanut butter. We are going to spread the peanut butter all over our toilet paper roll, like this. Okay, we're just gonna spread it everywhere. It doesn't have to be super thick. Okay, just enough so that we can then roll it in the bird seed and the bird seed will stick. If you have a peanut allergy, you could use some other kind of nut butter, or almond butter, or you could probably even use like apple butter. If you have a nut allergy, you can also do this activity with gloves on. You can always wear gloves so that you're not coming into contact with any of the peanut butter. But you want something that's edible, safe for the birds, that is sticky enough that we can then roll our bird seed into it. Okay, so I'm just about done. I have a little edge left. I'm gonna need a little bit more peanut butter here just to make sure it's all coated. Now it is a little bit messy. You're gonna get messy and that's okay, because we can always wash up afterwards. So now my paper towel roll, or my toilet paper roll, is all covered in peanut butter. You can see all the edges, all the sides are covered in peanut butter. Next, I'm going to take my bird seed container and we're going to roll our toilet paper roll into the bird seed and make sure it gets all nice and coated. Can you see that? You don't have to do it holding like this. You can put your tray down and roll it in there so it's nice and flat. I'm just holding it up so that you can see what I'm doing. Sometimes you have to shake it around a little to get the bird seed to move. Okay, and we're gonna just keep rolling and rolling until it's all covered in bird seed. Okay, and as you can see, some of the bird seed's falling off a little bit, and that's okay. That's why I have paper towels down. Just kidding, not paper towels, newspaper. That's why I have newspaper down on my table. I'm going to move my bird seed over, and now I need to take my scissors and some of the string. You don't need a lot, depends on where you're going to hang it outside. I'm going to cut my string. Cut. Okay. And now we're going to take the string, we're going to put it through our bird seed feeder like this. See, now it's coming out the other side. Okay. And then we're going to take our string and tie it into 2 knots so it's nice and tight. And now you can use this, if you've cut too much, you can make it shorter. If you didn't cut enough, you can cut more to make it longer if you need to. I'm going to take it and crisscross tied it, and I'm going to do it again. I'm going to crisscross tie. And you might need some help with this because it's got to be a nice tight knot. And I'm going to do it one more time to make sure it's an extra tight knot so it's not going to unravel. Okay. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure it's not going to come undone. And there I have my bird feeder. And now I can go hang this outside and the birds can have a snack. There you go, friends. Thanks for watching.